Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in KuCoin. If you are using the KuCoin mobile app and the language doesn't match your preference, or you accidentally switched to a language you don't understand, this tutorial will guide you through the step-by-step on how to change it back. First of all, launch open the KuCoin app on your device and log in. From the home page of KuCoin, tap on your profile icon, which is located at the top left corner. Now, from the menu that appears on the screen, scroll down and tap on Settings. Under Settings, select Language, which is located at the very top. You'll then be able to see different language settings that you can choose from. Choose the language you want from the list. And within a second, the app will automatically refresh, and once it reloads, the interface will appear in your chosen language. You can always get back to the same menu and change back to the language of your preference whenever you want. And there you have it. That's how you can easily change your language setting in the KuCoin mobile app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.